Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the most broken way to make money online. When you follow the steps in this video, you'll be able to demolish the YouTube algorithm and print money faster than the Federal Reserve during COVID. Would you just look at these beautiful numbers? You probably think these are some stats from Mr. Beast or similar channels, but no. These astronomical numbers belong to something far more sinister: children's content. I'm talking about kids' videos like these. The videos that my own kids have probably watched millions of times by now, and these videos have made millions of dollars for all of these channels. The thing is, I found an exploit that allows you to make videos like these. And that means you also can start earning thousands a day, making similar videos and getting millions of views. And best of all, it's all using a magnificent AI solution that will spit these videos out on total autopilot. And it's 100% free to use. So strap yourselves in, get a cup of coffee, and let's dive in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Aren't only huge channels getting millions of views on their videos? Is there any hope for a small channel to also start getting views and making money? Well, yes, and yes, and yes. As I said, this is a completely broken strategy. Look at this, tiny channel doing this exact thing and getting gazillions of views. Prepare to have your minds absolutely shattered because we're about to exploit one of YouTube's best features, their predictive search algorithm. Oh yes, it's a magnificent beast. If we venture into YouTube's search bar and type toddler songs about, and watch this, it's absolutely brilliant. YouTube starts revealing its deepest secrets to us. Look at these gorgeous video ideas on display. Toddler songs about birds, rain, dinosaurs. YouTube is literally giving us a roadmap to success here. And these are real things that people search for all the time on YouTube. But oh, it gets much, much better. Add the letter A or C or B and boom, we've unlocked an entire new tier of YouTube exploitation. Now we're seeing all the things starting with B. Toddler songs about birds, body parts, balls. Anyway, let's just focus on this one, toddler songs about birds. Would you believe that none of the top ranking videos actually have these words in their title right now? It's absolutely mental. And this, ladies and gentlemen, this here is a massive opportunity. You see, when someone types in toddler songs about birds into YouTube search, YouTube normally serves them videos that actually contain these words in the title. That's just how YouTube SEO works. Now let's see what's happening here. Toddler songs about birds. The top 3 results right now don't have that in the title. That means that no one is directly targeting this keyword. And anyone who puts up a video with the title Toddler Songs About Birds will have a very good chance of ranking high. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how you research the ideas for your videos. You now have the key to finding topics that have zero competition, where you can rank your videos and start getting views and making money. So we've decided we're gonna absolutely demolish YouTube with the term Toddler Songs About Birds. Now let's take a look at one of the other cartoons about birds that have had millions of views. And let's see what they're like, the quality, and to see if we can actually replicate something like this. Okay, here it is. It's pretty basic, yet it has had 7.9 million views. And if we do a little digging, we can see that on average these cartoons pay $4 per 1,000 views. That means that this cartoon has made $31,600 so far.
I'm talking about this.
That's just for this one cartoon, and quick math tells me that that's enough to rent a unit in Sydney for a few nights. Amazing. Whew. But seriously, $31,000 is nothing to sniff at, especially if you can make this cartoon in about 7 minutes. So spend the next 7 minutes here with me and we'll make a magnificent cartoon just like that together. For the next step, let's use Suno.com. It allows you to create AI music in just a few clicks. You can get started for free, like completely free. So yeah, just like that, we've got a free AI software to make AI music. All right, back to Suno. Enter the description of the song that you want to create And we want it to be about birds, as you probably remember. So click create, and now we've got a moment for a quick sip of coffee. Ah, brilliant, it's creating. Oh, look at that, it's ready. Suno has prepared a few song versions and even has written the lyrics for each song. And now let's preview.
Wake up, kids, to the morning light. Birds are singing, oh what a sight.
This sounds surprisingly good. The way this AI is going, very soon Harry Styles will have to find a proper job. Perhaps serving coffee at the Caffeinated Blogger Cafe. And next, let's look at making the actual cartoon. For this, we're going to use another brilliant AI tool called Leonardo AI. Now, pay close attention as I reveal these absolutely crucial image generation settings. If you miss even just one of them, the whole Leonardo AI model will self-destruct. So, copy them carefully. Okay, on to the first scene. Let's take a look at the lyrics for our masterpiece. Wake up, kids, to the morning light. Birds are singing, oh what a sight. Okay then, so for this first part, let's instruct Leonardo AI with the corresponding prompts about our main hero of the story waking up to the birds' songs. Alright, the images are ready and look at him, what an absolute little champion. Next image we need would be about the red bird and the blue bird sitting on the tree, and here they are, our feathered friends. Now we'll simply repeat the same steps to generate the rest of the images in the song. Look, we've got all of them, and now I'm getting excited because that means we're about to start animating these things. To bring our images to life, we're gonna use Hailuo AI. And yes, it is also totally free to use this tool. We already have our masterpiece images created, so we will choose image to video option, and let's upload the image which we want animated. Then let's write a little description here of what we want to happen in the scene. Description, cool, there we go. Now do the same for every scene of your song, and soon you will have all your video clips made by Hailuo AI. So let's preview our new video clips here. Wow, this is insane. Guys, this is top quality output and absolutely worth the $0 that we've just spent on this tool. And now let's check out these birds. What? They look delightful. They look awesome. How good is that? Now, the ones of you that have had the most amount of coffee have probably noticed this little number here in the corner. These are your credits that you have on your free plan. But what happens if you run out of credits on your free plan? Ooh, I bet this tool thought that if you run out of credits, they're gonna make you subscribe. But no, no, no. If you run out of credits on your account, you simply open a second account with another email address, and then you get more daily credits just like this. And you can open more and more accounts, making more and more videos without any limitations. Alright then, so now we're approaching the grand finale. Let's edit this whole thing together, shall we? You can download and install this software called CapCut. And I can hardly believe I'm saying this again, but CapCut is, again, completely free. Then set up your project details in this exact manner as shown here on the screen inside CapCut. So now here on our new project, arrange the music and the video clips on the timeline. And let's now preview what we've got.
Wake up, kids, to the morning light. Birds are singing, oh what a sight. Red bird, blue bird.
Yep, that was actually surprisingly good. So if you liked it, write me a quick comment below because every comment makes a difference and I really, truly appreciate it. And in case you're wondering how much these videos make, check this out. This is one of my own YouTube videos and you can see the amounts of earnings here, averaging around $10 for each 1,000 views. So if you look at this channel that's making all these kids videos, most days they get over 10 million views. So let's do some quick math here. Assuming they make even $4 per 1,000 views, they could be clearing well over $40,000 per day. Now, wouldn't that be nice? Let me show you the secret sauce to finally put this into practice. You need to go to your YouTube channel and upload the video. We're trying to rank for toddler songs about birds, and so you need to very strategically and carefully place these exact keywords into your title. And once again, into your description. And this is how YouTube will know that they need to show your video when someone types in toddler songs about birds into YouTube search. And once you've done this, post the video and yep, YouTube will send you all the hungry viewers desperately searching for this video. But seriously, there is no other competition right now, so this is a wide open opportunity that you can't miss. And now, ladies and gentlemen, if you've enjoyed watching me absolutely demolish YouTube's algorithm with toddler videos, I strongly recommend that you subscribe to my channel right now. And after that, go ahead and watch this video next. And this video, I promise, is gonna blow your mind. And I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da!